Chanja Hong and my metric number is AP210419. The topic today I will talk is laser machining. I will talk about laser machining application in various industries, its advantage and the industrial that benefit from this technology. So let's begin. Firstly, what is laser machining? Laser machining is a precise and versatile manufacturing process that utilizes focused laser beam to cut, drill, engrave or mark various materials with exceptional accuracy and speed. It has revolutionized the manufacturing landscape by offering numerous advantages over traditional machining methods. One of the primary benefits of laser machining is its unmatched precision. Laser beam can be focused to extremely small spots, enabling micron-level accuracy. This precision allows for intricate and complex design to be created with ease. Additionally, laser machining produces minimum heat-affected zones, reducing the risk of material distortion or damage, making it ideal for delicate material and application. Another significant advantage of laser machining is its versatility. It can be applied to a wide range of materials including metal, plastic, ceramic, composite, and even organic material. This versatility makes laser machining an indispensable tool in various industries such as automotive, aerospace, electronics, and jewelry. Let's explore some specific application of laser machining in this industry. Firstly is the automotive industry. Laser machining is used for cutting, welding, and drilling components in the automotive manufacturing process. It enables precise fabrication of intricate parts such as gear, fuel, injector, and sensor, resulting in improved performance and reliability. Secondly is the aerospace industry. Laser machining plays a crucial role in the aerospace sector. It is used for manufacturing lightweight components such as turbine blades, fuselage parts, and engine components. The precision and speed of laser machining help reduce weight while maintaining structural integrity. Thirdly is the electronic industry. The electronic industry heavily relies on laser machining for precise micro machining and micro drilling of printed circuit boards, semiconductors, wafers, and electrical connectors. Laser machining ensures high accuracy and enables miniaturization of electronic devices. Next, the art and design. Laser cutting and engraving have become popular in the field of art and design. Artists and designers use laser machines to create intricate patterns, custom signage, architectural models, personalized gifts, and various decorative items. Lastly, the jewelry industry. Laser machining has revolutionized jewelry manufacturing. It allows for intricate engraving, cutting, and welding of precious metal and gemstones, resulting in unique and customizable design. Laser machining enables precise craftsmanship and reduces material waste. In conclusion, laser machining is a powerful manufacturing process that offers unparalleled precision, versatility, and efficiency. Its applications span across multiple industries including automotive, aerospace, electronics, and jewelry. As technology continues to advance, laser machining will undoubtedly play an even more significant role in shaping our futures. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you. Bye.